This video features standard cooking steps. You can scan the QR code on our packaging to view the easy cooking video. Video subtitles are available in multi-languages. The current cooking sauce is now sporting a brand new look. Our cooking sauces are a versatile base sauce that is great for cooking rice, meat, seafood or vegetables. Explore our other cooking sauces in the range. The Laksa cooking sauce is convenient and easy to use. Laksa is a noodle dish served in mild, spicy coconut soup. Created with a blend of fresh spices and herbs, this rich and versatile laksa paste allows you to whip up a bowl of piping hot laksa noodles. In this video, the recommended ingredients are typically used for making a traditional laksa meal and are optional if they are unavailable in your market. You may also add ingredients according to your preference. You may use either laksa noodles or prima taste la mian. For laksa noodles, here are some brands that we recommend available at your local supermarket. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Mix water, prima taste laksa cooking sauce and coconut milk. Stir and mix well. Add taupok and bring the laksa gravy to boil. Step 2. Blanch the laksa noodles and bean sprouts in boiling water for 5 seconds. Drain well and place it in a bowl. Step 3. Garnish each serving with fish cakes, prawns and taupok. Stir before pouring the hot laksa gravy over. And there you have it! Aromatic laksa is ready to serve. Isn't it easy? Try it today. Check out our website for more cooking videos.